How could you describe these shapes? Take a look at them. Well, these are four-sided polygons. Four-sided polygons are called quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals include shapes such as squares and rectangles. Squares have all of the same sized sides. So all four sides are the same exact size. On a rectangle, the two long sides are the same length and the two short sides are the same length. These long sides are parallel. That means they go in the same direction. The two short sides are also parallel. They also go in the same direction as each other. A rectangle has two sets of parallel lines. Some other types of quadrilaterals, means four-sided polygons, are parallelograms and rhombi. Rhombi is the plural for rhombus. This rhombus here looks very similar to a square. All four sides are the same length. But when you look closely, it's like on a slant. If you look at the angles, you can see that two of the angles are big, open, wide angles. We call that an obtuse angle. And then the other two angles inside of our rhombus are these small, narrow angles called scalene angles. If you look at our parallelogram, it's very similar, except for it has two long sides, sort of like a rectangle, but our lines are slanted here. So on a piece of paper or dry erase board, try and draw a triangle and a quadrilateral. A triangle will have three sides. They could be even sides or they cannot be even sides. And draw a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral will have four sides. If you put a dot on each of the vertices, that will make it easier for you to draw your lines. Pause the video and go ahead and draw your triangle and your quadrilateral. Right about it. So we talked already about a pentagon. A pentagon has five sides. If you have your geometric template, you can use that to draw a pentagon, as well as a hexagon. If you have your template, use your pencil and a piece of paper and draw a pentagon and a hexagon. And don't forget to label them. You can pause the video so you can look at the shapes and how to spell the names. Penta means 5. Hex means 6. Once you have finished with that, go ahead and pause on this slide and draw a heptagon and an octagon. Now, the octagon may look like a familiar shape. If you've ever looked at a stop sign on the corner of your street, you'll see that it is an octagon. It would be the color red with the word stop in the middle. So pause the video, use your template to draw a heptagon with 7 sides and an octagon which has 8 sides. Oh, now let's get to a bigger shape here. Use your template and draw a decagon. Deca means 10. A decagon has 10 sides. Once you have finished, on the last slide, on your paper or your dry erase board, write the letters A, B, C, D, E, and F. Can you name these polygons?